Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Traverse 3LT. This vehicle has 35,608 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This Traverse comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 20-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system, jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a double sunroof. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.